In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to authenticate email domain in Zoho CRM. Authenticating your email domain tells inbox providers that Zoho CRM has permission to send on behalf of your organization. It's a crucial step for improving deliverability, reducing the chance of messages landing in spam, and protecting your brand's reputation. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to Zoho CRM with the appropriate permissions to manage email settings. If your interface looks a little different, that's okay. Zoho updates layouts occasionally, but the labels we'll use here remain consistent. Start on the Zoho CRM homepage. From here, go to the main settings area. You'll find the settings icon, typically represented by a gear, near the top of the screen. Click it to open the central configuration hub for your CRM. This is where you manage system-level preferences, integrations, and communication tools for your team. Inside settings, look for the section called Channels. Channels groups together ways your CRM communicates with leads and customers, including telephony, social, and email. Select channels to open the communication options available to your organization. Next, choose email. This is the area dedicated to how messages are composed, sent, and authenticated from your CRM. It's where you'll fine-tune the technical pieces that make sure your emails get delivered reliably and appear trustworthy to recipients. Within email, go to Email Deliverability. This section focuses specifically on the factors that influence whether your messages arrive in the inbox, such as authentication and alignment with industry standards. It's the right place to manage the domain-level configurations that mail servers check before accepting your emails. In Email Deliverability, navigate to the Email Authentication section. This is where you'll add domains and manage the authentication framework associated with them. You'll see controls to add a new domain, view its status, and access the guidance Zoho provides for setting things up correctly. Click Add Domain to begin. Zoho will open a panel or window prompting you to enter details about the domain you want to authenticate. This starts the process of associating your domain with Zoho CRM's email sending, so the system can generate the information you'll need to complete authentication. Click into the email address field. Even though the label may reference an email address, what you'll provide here is the domain you intend to authenticate. Think of it as entering the part after the @ in your company email. For example, if your users send from addresses like name@yourcompany.com, the domain is yourcompany.com. Type in the email domain you want to authenticate. Enter only the root domain without HTTP, HTTPS or slashes, and without www. Avoid personal mailbox providers or free webmail domains. You'll need a domain your organization controls. Use a clean, exact spelling. Domains are not case sensitive, but accuracy matters. If your team uses multiple domains, you'll repeat this process for each one, so all sending identities are properly covered. When you've entered the domain, click Add Domain to submit. Zoho will register the domain within your CRM's authentication area and present the next set of details you'll use to complete the process with your domain host. That typically includes the records that establish your organization's identity and authorization to send. At this point, you've successfully initiated domain authentication in Zoho CRM. A few helpful notes as you proceed. Make sure you have administrative access in Zoho, and separately, access to your domain's DNS with your provider so you can follow the guidance shown on screen. If you don't manage DNS yourself, coordinate with your IT or hosting team and share the exact values provided by Zoho. It's normal for changes to take time to reflect across the internet, and any status indicators in Zoho may take a while to update. While you wait, keep the email authentication section open or return to it later to review the domain status and any guidance specific to your setup. That's it. Your domain has been added for authentication in Zoho CRM, setting you up for stronger email deliverability and a more professional sending posture.